Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 7, Creative Question Answer 1. I am repeating, our today's topic is chapter 7, Creative Question Answer 1. Students, this is our 8th lecture and 8th homework. I am repeating, this is our 8th lecture and 8th homework. Students, take your home science book, notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about creative question 1 from chapter 7 and then we'll discuss about the answers of some questions. So let's start. Chapter 7, Creative Question Answer 1. Here is the stem. Rita is 12 years old. Her mother explains to her about physical changes. Now she is aware. She stays clean during her menstruation. This is why problem does not occur. She believes personal cleanliness keeps mind cheerful. Now we have to give the answer of these questions. Our first question is, which type of food should be eaten to overcome anemia? I am repeating, which type of food should be eaten to overcome anemia? The answer is, food containing iron should be eaten to overcome anemia. I'm repeating, food containing iron should be eaten to overcome anemia. And I hope you know what is anemia. Anemia means when our body is in the lacking of blood, it is called the disease anemia. Now come to number B. The question is, why is self-security necessary? Explain. I'm repeating, the question is, why is self-security necessary? You have to explain this. You can write the answer like this. Self-security is keeping oneself guarded and protected. Self-security is essential to stay away from various tortures, danger during school and other movements here and there. So self-security is very important for your safety. You can go anywhere if you are maintaining your self-security. Now come to question number C. What type of cleanliness can Rita maintain to stay well during puberty mentioned in the stem? Explain according to your textbook. I am repeating the question. What type of cleanliness can Rita maintain to stay well during puberty mentioned in the stem? Explain according to your textbook. Here is the answer. We should maintain cleanliness to keep our health sound. This is why, or this way, we remain cheerful. She can maintain the following activities of cleanliness during her menstruation. Number 1, use clean cotton napkins or pads. Number 2, used textiles should be cleaned absolutely and dried in the sun. Number 3, textiles should be dried in the light, as textiles kept in the dark, damp or moist places can cause bacterial contamination. Now number 4, napkins or pads should be changed immediately when they become wet, or else contamination of disease may happen. Number 5, used pads should be wrapped with paper and thrown into the dustbin. In the aforementioned ways, Rita remains clean during her menstruation, thus she stays sound. So girls, if you maintain all these ways, you can be healthy, you can stay sound like Rikta. I hope you all will maintain all these ways. Now come to number D. Explain how physical cleanliness can keep Rikta's mind cheerful. I am repeating the question. Explain how physical cleanliness can keep Rikta's mind cheerful. You can write the answer like this. Rikta likes to stay clean. She remains clean during her menstruation. She believes cleanliness keeps her mind cheerful. She has taken her mother's suggestion for physical changes during adolescence. As she does not suffer from timidity and hesitation, she does not face any trouble. In such condition, she keeps herself joyful. During adolescence, girls and boys seem to be shy, hesitant, and timid. In addition, during gradual changes in age, bathing regularly and putting on clean clothes are necessary. Secretion of excess sweat causes bad odor. Hence, not adopting cleanliness can result in the contamination of bacteria. Therefore, keeping oneself clean can keep oneself cheerful. Last line, keeping oneself clean can keep one cheerful. It means if you keep your body neat and clean, you will feel cheerful, feel happy, and can lead a healthy life. Students, this was the answer of creative question 1, and one thing I want to inform you, don't be hesitate, don't feel shy at the time of puberty. All these that are happening with you or will happen with you, happened with me, happened with my mother and grandmother and their ancestor, female ancestors. And if you ask your mother, grandmother and any female person, this is natural. They will answer like this. So be positive and enjoy your life. Now students, I have given your homework. Your homework will be creative question answer 1D. It means number D from creative question answer 1. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. I'm repeating, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 8 and homework number is also 8. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday because you have to submit your SW copies on every Sunday. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. You will get your CT, diary and SPM marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your copies on next Sunday. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.